Unit 3.
Ali is a scientist. She comes from Cambridge in England, but now she lives in Switzerland. She works 3 days a week at the Institute of Molecular Biology in Geneva. She speaks 3 languages: English, French and German. She's married and has a daughter. She likes skiing in winter and going for walks in summer.
Bob is a doctor. He's English, but now he lives in Australia, in the small town of Alice Springs. He isn't an ordinary doctor. He's a flying doctor. Every day, from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m., he speaks to people on his radio. Then he flies to help them. He works 16 hours a day, non-stop, but he loves his job. He isn't married. He has no free time.
One.
She's a scientist. He's a doctor.
2.
Alison comes from England. Bob comes from England too.
3.
She lives in a big city, but he lives in a small town.
4.
She works 3 days a week. He works 16 hours a day non-stop.
5.
He speaks to sick people on his radio. She speaks 3 languages.
6.
She loves her job, and he loves his job too.
7.
She has a daughter. He isn't married.
8.
She likes skiing and going for walks in her free time. He never has free time.
Where does Alison come from?
Cambridge in England.
What does she do?
She's a scientist.
Does she speak French?
Yes, she does.
Does she speak Spanish?
No, she doesn't.
One.
Where does Bob come from?
England.
2.
What does he do?
He's a doctor.
3.
Does he fly to help people?
Yes, he does.
4.
Does he speak French and German?
No, he doesn't.
One.
Philippe comes from Paris.
2.
Philippe lives in London.
3.
He works in the centre of Paris.
4.
He speaks English very well.
5.
He's married.
6.
Keiko lives and works in New York.
7.
She speaks French and German.
8.
She plays tennis in her free time.
9.
She isn't married.
10.
Mark works in an office in Moscow.
11.
He has 3 sons.
12.
He likes playing football in his free time.
One.
She likes her job.
2.
She loves walking.
3.
He isn't married.
4.
Does he have 3 children?
5.
What does he do?
1.
Good afternoon. Can I have 2 ice creams, please?
Chocolate or vanilla?
1 chocolate, 1 vanilla, please.
That's £1.80. Anything else?
No, thank you.
2.
Only 2 letters for you this morning, Mrs. Craig.
Thank you very much, Mr. McSporran. And how's Mrs. McSporran this morning?
Oh, she's very well, thank you. She's busy in the shop.
3.
A glass of wine before bed, my dear?
Oh, yes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you, my dear. I'm very tired this evening.
4.
Hello, Mr. McSporran.
Good morning, boys and girls. Hurry up, we're late.
Can I sit here, Mr. McSporran? No, I want to sit there.
Be quiet, all of you, and sit down.
It's 5 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. It's 5:30. It's 11:30. It's 5:15. It's 2:15. It's 6:15. It's 9:15. It's 5:05. It's 5:10. It's 5:20. It's 5:25. It's 5 to 6. It's 20 to 6. It's 10 to 6. It's 5 to 6.
Excuse me, can you tell me the time, please?
Yes, of course. It's about 6 o'clock.
Thanks.
Excuse me, can you tell me the time, please?
I'm sorry, I don't know. I don't have a watch.
Never mind.